Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe because I do post weekly nail videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some really pretty jelly tip nails with a Christmas nail design. You'll want to start by doing your nail prep. I have already done this. To prep your nails for jelly tips, you'll push back your cuticles, file the shine away from your natural nail. You're then going to apply the protein bond and adhesive primer, then a thin layer of the press-on glue gel and cure for 1 minute. For today's manicure, I'm going to be trying the Stiletto Medium Jelly Tips from Double Dip Nails. I haven't tried this one before and I'm so excited to see how this length and shape looks. To apply the jelly tips, I'm going to be using the press-on glue gel. This is from the Premium Jelly Liquid Kit. This is an essential liquid kit for your jelly tips. With this length and shape jelly tip, you do get 300 full coverage clear jelly tip nails. Here's what they look like up close, so let's go ahead and move on to the manicure portion of this video. I have already picked out my sizes for each finger. To size the jelly tips, you want to make sure that it goes from sidewall to sidewall and that you have no gaps on your nail. If you are in between sizes, I would recommend to go ahead and size up. You can file around the sides and cuticle if this does not fit perfectly. To cure the nails into place, I'm going to be using this mini UV LED nail lamp from the Mini Gel Tip Kit. This lamp is absolutely perfect for curing jelly tips into place. To turn the lamp on, you just push the little button on the bottom and the lights come on. It does have an automatic shut off. Now that I have everything ready, I'm going to take the press-on glue gel and go ahead and open up the bottle. I'm going to be working from my pinky to my thumb. If you work in the opposite direction, you have a higher chance of product overflow, so I would recommend to start with your pinky. I'm going to start by taking the pinky jelly tip and apply the press-on glue gel to about half of the area where my natural nail will be. I like to apply the gel this way because I notice it has less product overflow, and I personally don't like having too much gel at the free edge of my nail, so I find that this way works very well. Once I have the gel placed inside of the jelly tip, I'm going to go ahead and turn the UV LED nail light on. Once the lamp is on, I'm going to quickly place the jelly tip at my cuticle area and slowly push the jelly tip down until the gel reaches the free edge of my nail. Making sure not to wiggle my finger, I'm going to hold that under the UV LED nail lamp for 1 minute. After 60 seconds, the light automatically turns off and your nail is cured into place. Here's what the jelly tip looks like. I love the shape and length of these jelly tips. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the exact same step for all of the other nails. Jelly tips is one of my favorite ways to apply nails. It is very quick. Honestly, the longest part about doing jelly tip nails is the nail prep unless you're doing some very detailed nail art. Doing the actual jelly tip application takes no longer than about 5 to 10 minutes for both hands. Like any other method of doing your own nails, jelly tips does take a little bit of practice to prevent having the gel spill out from the jelly tip, as well as making sure to cure them on straight. Other than that, jelly tips is one of the easiest ways to apply your nails. You don't have to worry about the structure of your nails. The length and shape is already there. All you have to do is just cure them into place. So that does make doing jelly tips one of the easiest methods for beginners. These jelly tips are also very high quality, they're very strong and sturdy, and with proper nail prep and application, they do last just as long as any other nail enhancement, which is about 3 to 6 weeks. If you are interested in purchasing these jelly tips, I will link everything I'm using down below in the description along with my discount code, which will save you 20% off of your purchase. Double Dip Nails is also doing a Toys for Tots campaign, so for the rest of the month of December, they're donating a portion of every single sale to the Toys for Tots campaign. This does provide toys and other gifts to children that are less fortunate, so if you are interested in Double Dip's products, now is the perfect time to purchase. This manicure is inspired by the Toys for Tots campaign. Double Dip Nails did reach out to me and asked me if I would like to participate in this campaign. Of course I said yes. They asked me to use any Double Dip Nails red color and do a gift box theme manicure. Of course I did do like the gift box theme, but most of the nails remind me of wrapping paper, which I think is really funny. I did not plan that at all, but I love how this set came out. Here's what the nails look like after they've all been cured into place. I absolutely love these jelly tips. So the next step that I'm going to do is optional, but I would highly recommend that you do it. I'm going to take the professional portable e-file to file around the sidewall and cuticle areas to blend in the tips with my natural nail. To do this step, I am using a cuticle drill bit to easily get in those areas. I'm going to be using a really low speed of about 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs. I'm just going to go ahead and start by filing around the cuticle and sidewall areas of all of the nails. Again, this step is optional, but it does give the nails a more natural look. I absolutely love this e-file. It is a 35,000 RPM e-file. It is portable, so you don't have to be connected to any walls. It does have a big LCD display. It is acetone resistant. It does have an 8 to 10 hour battery life, which is really good. Honestly, I've only charged mine once and I use it all the time, so it has a really good battery life. It also has a very low vibration and it's very quiet. If you are interested in purchasing this e-file, now is the perfect time because Double Dip Nails has given me a special discount code which will expire December 31st, 2021. This is a really good deal, so I would not skip it. The code is KC50 and that will save you 50% off of this e-file. That is an absolute steal, so if you are in the market for a new e-file, definitely go and check this one out. I will put a link down below in the description of the video as well. This link will automatically apply the code at checkout. After the nails have been filed, I did remove all of the dust, so here's what the nails look like. Let's go ahead and start doing the design portion of this video. I'm going to start by taking some black gel polish and I'm going to apply a thin layer of this onto the pinky nail. I am going to be applying some cat eye gel polish onto the pinky nail, but for those polishes you do need a good base color. I wanted to use black, but you can use whatever color gel polish of your choice. After the gel polish has been applied, I'm going to cure for 1 minute. After the layer is cured, I'm taking the Rainbow Glitter Cat Eye Gel Polish from Double Dip. This is number 10. This is a really pretty deep burgundy type color. I really love this magnetic cat eye gel polish. I'm going to go ahead and apply the gel polish on top of the black gel polish layer. This type of gel polish does have a really thick consistency. It's not really like other gel polishes, but that's because it is magnetic, so it does have a different consistency than other gel polishes. After I have a really good even coverage of the gel polish, I'm going to take this magnetic stick. This is a really strong magnet and each side has a different magnetic pull. One side pulls the glitter towards the magnet and the other one pushes the glitter away. I'm going to use the side that pulls the glitter towards the magnet. I'm just going to hold this over top of the gel polish. If you are having issues with the magnetic effect showing up, try playing around with the angle where you're holding the magnet. I'm then going to do a full cure under the lamp. For the next nail, I'm taking the color 746 from the nail lacquer and gel polish sets. This is called Skittles Ornament and it's a really pretty red gel polish. I'm going to be applying this onto the index nail. These gel polish and nail lacquer sets are one of my favorite things from Double Dip Nails. You get a nail polish that perfectly matches the gel polish color, and they have some really pretty colors on their website. If you haven't seen them yet, make sure to go and check them out on the website. Then for the middle fingernail, I am taking a nude gel polish color and I'm going to be applying this onto the entire nail. You can use any type of nude gel polish color that you like. Going back to the red gel polish color, I'm going to be applying this onto the ring fingernail. After the gel polish has been applied, I'm going to cure under the UV LED nail lamp. After that layer is cured, I decided to do a second layer of the red gel polish color. I personally did not do a second layer of the cat eye gel polish or the nude gel polish color. And of course, I'm going to cure for 1 minute. I'm then going to take the red gel art liner from the gel liner collection. This is number 4. This is not exactly the same color red, but it's very similar. I'm going to be doing a geometric design on the middle fingernail. I am wiping away a lot of polish from the brush to make sure that I have a good precision line. I'm going to start by doing a V shape at the tip of the nail and I'm going to fill it in. I am going to be doing kind of like a negative space X, so to create that shape, I'm going to be doing a V on the side of the nail. I'm also going to be doing the exact same shape on the other side of the nail as well. Once I have the outlines, I'm going to fill those in. Then going down towards the base of the nail, I'm going to be making kind of like a chevron shape to complete the negative space X that I'm creating. Once I have the initial shape, I'm going to go over it a lot to thicken up the line. I'm then going down towards the cuticle area and I'm going to be drawing a rectangle coming out from the base of the nail. I'm then going to be doing a triangle shape on top of the rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the shape that I've just created. After I have that, I am going to cure under the UV LED nail lamp. Once that layer is cured, I'm taking the white gel art liner, which is number 9, and I'm going to be adding some detail to this nail. Again, I'm making sure that I don't have too much polish on the brush to be able to do thin precision lines. I'm going to be connecting the middle of the X shape down towards the cuticle area of the nail. To do this, I'm just doing a straight line following the shape that I created at the cuticle area until I reach the middle of the X shape. I'm then going to follow the red line until I go off of the nail. I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side of the nail. I'm then going to turn the nail and do a short line going up to the next red shape, and then I'm going to follow the red off of the nail. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. I'm then going to do a really thin white line inside of the red chevron line, connecting the white line to the edge of the nail. Again, I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side as well. I'm then going to do a white line that's parallel with the one that I just created, and this one is towards the middle of the negative X shape that I've already done. Again, this is connecting the white line to the edge of the nail. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. I'm then going to do a V shape at the cuticle area of the nail. I am going to leave a little bit of the red shape that I've already created coming out from the other side of the white line. I do want to say that it's extremely difficult for me to describe the steps that I'm doing, but hopefully since you're able to watch all of the steps, it does make it easier to understand. After I have all of the white detail, I am going to cure under the nail lamp. After that layer is cured, I'm going back with the white gel art liner, removing all of the excess polish from the brush. I'm going to be doing a gift box type design on the ring fingernail. To do the gift box design, I'm going to draw a vertical line going from the cuticle all the way down to the tip of the nail. One thing I do want to say is these gel art liners make it so easy to draw very straight, crisp lines. I am going to go over the line a few times to make it a little bit thicker. I'm then going to draw a horizontal line towards the base of the nail. I am going to make this line just as thick as the first line that I've already created. Once I have those lines, I'm going to cure under the UV LED nail lamp. For the bow, I'm going to be using this gold gel liner, which is number 12. If you're looking for a really good gold gel liner, this is definitely it. This color is absolutely gorgeous. To draw the bow, I'm going to draw 2 small loops where the lines intersect. I'm then going to draw a small dot where the center of the bow is, and then I'm going to draw 2 lines to finish off the bow design. After the bow design is complete, I'm going to cure under the nail lamp. For the index nail, I am taking the gold snowflake nail stickers from the Winter Angel dip powder kit. I'm going to be picking these up with the tweezers. I'm going to be placing these gold snowflake nail stickers onto the index nail. For the pinky nail, I am going to be drawing some really small snowflakes, so I'm going back with the white gel art liner, and I'm going to start by drawing an X towards the cuticle area of the pinky nail. I'm then going to draw a line going down the center of the X. Once I have the snowflake shape, I'm going to draw some really small V shapes at the edges of those lines. I do want to apologize for the camera not being in focus the entire time that I was drawing these snowflakes. I'm going to be drawing another snowflake just like the first one on the other side of the nail at the tip. I'm then going to take the small side of my dotting tool and I'm going to pick up the white gel polish, and I'm going to be adding some really small dots in between the snowflakes. Off camera, I did do the exact same design that I have on the pinky onto the thumbnail as well. I'm also going to be adding some small white dots to the index nail as well. After I have the white dots, I'm going to do a full cure under the UV LED nail lamp. I'm then going to take the No White Gel Top Coat. This is also from the Premium Jelly Liquid Kit, and I'm going to be applying this onto all of the nails. This is one of my favorite gel top coats. It has a really nice consistency and it gives the nails a really beautiful shine. Before I cure that, I am taking the 12-piece Rhinestones and Shape set. From that set, I am taking this gold 3D star and I'm going to be applying this onto the nail. To apply the shape onto the nail, I'm taking the press-on glue gel and I'm going to add a little bit of this product on the back of the star, and I'm going to place this on the tip of the middle fingernail. Once I have the star in place, I'm going to cure under the UV LED nail lamp. After the nails are cured, I'm going to take the cuticle oil, which is number 6, and I'm going to apply this to all of the cuticles. It is important to rehydrate your skin after every single manicure. This cuticle oil smells really good and it's very hydrating for your skin. And here are the nails. I hope you guys loved this design. I love how they turned out. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!